Hey there! You know that learning as a culture is needed in your organization. A cultural shift requires a systemic change. It's time to embrace the change at every touchpoint of your learning process, be it planning, delivery, or management of learning programs for your new and existing employees. What's even better is if you could unify those steps to create immersive learning experiences for your learners. Introducing Techademy, the world's first full-stack learning platform. Let's take you through our holistic platform that helps you create learning experiences that last. Getting started is easy. Log in with email or enable single sign-on to get in. The action starts here. On this dashboard, you can have an overview of your progress and achievements. You can access your courses, glance at recommended ones, and pick the course you want to learn today. From the right side, you can also access your scheduled meetings and any notifications that you might get from your organization or connections. Not just that, you can dive deeper into your progress, understanding your learning path better. To enroll into a course, click on Course Catalog, choose a category, or search for a specific course. Click on the course you want and click on Enroll. Now, the course will appear in your My Learning menu under In Progress tab. Click on Continue to start learning. You can play videos buffer-free, move to other videos of the course and re-watch them. And when you need to apply skills you have learned, you can solve assignments using the inbuilt tech labs within the platform. Just click on Labs icon, enter your password, and access your VM to start solving. Or you may want to practice a bit more. That's when you can use the practice interface to compile and run programs. Stuck somewhere? There are times you might have queries, and that's when you can chat or email the assigned experts for your course with just a click. Course assessments let you evaluate yourself once you are confident you have finished learning the course. Compare your progress with your fellow learners, achieve points for actions taken, and top the leaderboards. Get badges and earn certificates for your courses as a cherry on the top. It gets better. Connect with people with similar career aspirations or learning paths within your organization. Interact, support, and excel together with Techademy's social learning features. Experience learning like never before. Raise your learning to the power of Techademy.